See, in this question, we can directly put the formula. But what is W1 and W2? Cos phi they have asked. Cos phi is how much? Cos of tan inverse W2 minus W1 divided by W2 plus W1. Correct? So in this case, this one is W1 and this one is W2. Right? That would be 3 W2 minus 6.1.2. Yeah. And W2 minus 6.1 plus 14 point, right? Whatever you told me, that was different now from this, and answer would be wrong for that case, right? So in the above case, it will be add with each other, correct? And in the below case, it will subtract with each. So ultimately, if you'll get angle in minus, yeah, whatever order is given, we'll take it according to that. Okay. Next, you need to calculate power. Power is W1 plus W, and power formula is root 3 L I L cos phi. Power we know, root L we know, cos phi no, we know. So now we can get I of L, right?